Dear students, our today's topic is mechanism of the wet corrosion. As all of you know that wet corrosion means it is a corrosion of metal in presence of the aqueous conducting medium with the formation of anodic and the cathodic areas. So there are two types of mechanism in the wet corrosion. First one, that is hydrogen evolution mechanism, and second is oxygen absorption mechanism. Hydrogen evolution mechanism is occur in the acidic environment, while oxygen absorption mechanism is occur in slightly alkaline or. Now we will see the mechanism and its reactions. So the first, at the anodic reaction, the first reaction is the oxidation of metal. So the metal is undergo oxidation. It forms the M plus N with the liberation of the electrons. This electron it then enter in the electrolyte and then reaches to the cathodic part. Now once it reaches to cathodic part, depending on the medium, we have three different products. Let us see the first condition. In the first condition, in acidic medium, but in absence of oxygen, what happens? Hydrogen ions gets combined with the electrons and it forms the hydrogen gas. So here the acidic medium having the H plus going to react with the electrons which are liberated from the anodic reactions, and we got the hydrogen gas. Second condition is in acidic medium but in presence of oxygen. So presence of oxygen, electrons in the acidic medium, the water is a product. In the third condition, that is in neutral or the alkaline medium, what happens? Dissolved oxygen gets combined with the electrons in presence of the water and it forms the hydroxyl ions. So depending on the conditions, we got the different products. So now this electrochemical corrosion or wet corrosion takes place by two mechanisms depending on the nature of environment. First is hydrogen evolution that occur in the acidic environment. The second one, oxygen absorption that occur in neutral or the alkaline medium. Now we will see one by one both ones. Let us see the first one, that is hydrogen evolution mechanism that is occur in the acidic environment. Now let us see a very simple example to explain this hydrogen evolution mechanism. Let's take the steel tank which is having the acid industrial waste, and one copper piece is placed in that acid industrial waste. So in this case, a piece of copper and a steel tank are in contact to each other. It will be giving rise the electrochemical cell. So the cell formation is taking place here. In this cell formation, the acid industrial waste is act as a electrolyte. Okay, the steel tank will be act as an anode based on the position in the galvanic series, and the copper piece will be act as a cathode. So here it is carefully observed that a steel tank portion which is in contact with the copper piece is undergo the corrosion process. Now let us see the reaction at anode. What happened at the steel tank? The ion it passes into the solution as the Fe plus 2 ions. So the Fe is undergo oxidation. It forms the Fe plus 2 with the liberation of the electron. Oxidation reaction is taking place. Second reaction, that is at the cathode, means at copper piece, what happened? Hydrogen ion which is present from the acidic electrolyte take up this free electron which are generated at the anode, and hydrogen gases form in the form of bubbles at the cathodic part. So your net reaction is Fe plus twice H plus, you will get the Fe plus 2. See this diagram for the mechanism of the wet corrosion by hydrogen evolution mechanism. So this will be considered as a steel tank. This steel tank is having the acid waste and this will be some small copper piece is there. Copper piece will be act as a cathodic pad, which is a small cathodic area. This portion will behave as anodic area, which is a large in nature. Then what happen? At the anodic area, Fe is undergo oxidation. It forms the Fe+2, liberation of the electron. This electron enter in the electrolyte, reaches to the cathodic pad, where we have the H+ ions, and then the hydrogen ions get bubbled at the cathodic pad. So this is about the mechanism of the first type, that is the hydrogen evolution mechanism. Now let us see the second mechanism is oxygen absorption mechanism. Now this type of electrochemical corrosion occurs when electrolyte is neutral or the alkaline solution which is having the dissolved oxygen. Now let us consider one steel plate which is lying on the ground or lying on the atmosphere, and after it is exposing to atmosphere, one oxide layer is formed. This oxide layer get cracked at the center of that steel plate. Now what happened? Over that steel plate, a drop of water is collected. Now in this case, a cell formation is taking place. In this cell formation, water is act as the electrolyte. Iron plate, which is a cracked portion, behave as an anode, and the remaining oxide scale behave as a cathodic pad. Now let us see the reaction at anode. The first reaction is common. Fe is undergo oxidation. It forms the Fe+2 plus 2 electrons. At cathode, the electrons is flow from anode to cathode, so it is going to react with the oxygen. Presence of the water, hydroxyl ion are generated. Then the Fe+2 ions at the anode, hydroxyl ion at the cathode gets combined. It forms the ferrous hydroxide. That will be forming here Fe+2 plus 2 OH minus ferrous hydroxide formation is there. Then after that, in presence of the excess oxygen, that ferrous hydroxide going to react with the oxygen. Finally, it forms the brown rust. Let us see the diagram. So this is the cracked portion which will behave as anodic pad. This remaining portion will be act as a cathodic pad. This is to be protected. This is a cathodic area. A drop of water which is collected over the steel plate behave as an electrolyte, and therefore this first reaction is Fe is undergo oxidation. It forms the Fe+2 plus 2 electrons. Then this electron going to react with the oxygen. Hydroxyl ion are generated at the cathode. This hydroxyl ion at cathode, this Fe+2 at anode combine together, then it form the Fe hydroxide, and this Fe hydroxide again going to react with oxygen. Excess oxygen is present in the atmosphere, and it is forming the brown rust which is deposited in the outward directions. So this is about the two type of mechanism of wet corrosion. First, that is a hydrogen evolution mechanism that occur in the acidic environment, and the second is oxygen absorption mechanism that occur in the neutral or the alkaline media.